It's market day in Coca, a small town on the western fringe of the Amazon rainforest in Ecuador. Here you can buy anything, from cures for stomach upsets and infertility,
no babies, this is the thing,
to freshwater Amazon fish, fruit and veg like you've never seen before, and some tasty looking grubs. But if you can't find what you're looking for, don't worry. The products on display here barely scratch the surface of the range of species you can find in the rainforest at the edge of town. Stop and listen to the sound of the rainforest, and you'll soon realise you're not alone. Every hectare contains more species than the whole of the UK. And if you stand in one place for a while, you'll see hundreds of different trees, plants, amphibians, insects, birds, and animal species. Some are on the ground. Others spend their time moving up and down the trees. And yet more live in the canopy high above. Billions of creatures, all intimately connected together, creating the most diverse ecosystem on the planet. The range of species an area contains is called its biodiversity. And having so many different species compared to other ecosystems means the Earth's rainforests contain a huge pool of genes. Genes that have already produced a quarter of all our medicines. Genes that provide the possibility of new varieties of plants and animals. And genes that could even help save the planet by providing future cures for diseases that are yet to evolve.